Hello and welcome to another edition of Fix 64. I'm Darren Hadley and I bought another one. So yeah, this is an Alienware Aurora R15, but this is not one of those ones with the plastic still on it and everything. This was a used one. It was in pretty good condition, and for the price, I thought, heck, why not? It still came in cheaper than those $2.99 ones, but I thought, heck, I have some parts laying around. I can make a budget build, so that's what we're gonna do today. We're gonna make a budget build. Okay, the first item in our budget build is going to be the Orico OS5. It's a Gen 4 NVMe SSD. Read speeds up to 7450 megabits per second. And it's got an awesome heatsink on it. And it's actually it's built for the PS5. Well, it can fit in the PS5, the PS5 Pro, and the PS5 Slim. So if you really want to upgrade your storage and everything, these come in 2 terabyte, 4 terabyte, 512, and 1 terabyte. And I read that totally backwards. But yep, they have varying sizes, and heck, the 4 terabyte you could store a lot of PS5 games. But today we are going to be installing this slick looking drive inside this Alienware system. And I'm very excited to use it. I'd like to thank Orico for sending this over so we could do this project. The next thing is just some crucial 6000 MTS DDR5 and a GeForce RTX 5060 Ti 16 gigabyte. And then we will put this drive to the test, and in another video we will put, well, this will be a separate video too. And then in another video we'll put the 5060 Ti with the, oh yeah, let's not forget the processor. I had a Ryzen 5 7600X laying around. So we're going to throw those all together and we're going to do some gaming benchmarks in another episode. Alright, so first off we're going to take the cover off. And yeah, this one has a Wi-Fi 6E card in it, and looks like the RGB fan in the back, the 2 standard fans in the front, AM5 slot for our 7600X, and a PCIe slot for our 5060 Ti, and then it has 2 NVMe slots, one in which the OS5 by Orico will go into. And let's not forget the used off of eBay AIO. And it also has an RGB light strip on the pump area, so that will be cool. Let's get started. Okay, let's start off with our Orico OS5. This will be, oh, yep, I remembered about the screwdriver that time. This will be easy to install. Already has the heatsink on it. Very nice. That shall keep it nice and cool. And where Alienwares don't have built-in heatsink units, then this will be perfect. Oop, if I can unscrew the screw. Anyway, yeah, let's just put that right in. Lay that down. And we're good to go. Yep, that looks very, very nice in there. Okay, next let's put the processor in. Okay. And I am not going to put a contact frame on it this time. Is that lining up? Yep. Okay. Very good. Except, yeah, the thing I like about the contact frame is it keeps the thermal grease from getting all inside there. So maybe I should have done it. I do have some extras. Let's just finish the build and we'll see. Okay, next for the RAM. Make sure the slot is lined up. Okay. Now all I think we have is the graphics card and the AIO. Oh, I forgot this was a white one. That might look a little odd in there. You know, let me think about this. Okay, since that 5060 Ti was white and it just kind of wouldn't go with this build to me, I think we'll put in a Asus Prime 5070. Give it a little more oomph anyway. So I will unbox that and we will install it. Okay. Yeah, I think this will look very nice in this. If it fits. Yeah, may not be able to have that fan thingy in there. Yes, it's a thingy. Okay. Press down. Installed. You have to go that way. Well, this is an odd angle. Okay, clicked in and it's keeping out of the fan, so that's a plus. Kind of hides the cable mess a bit more too. Okay, I think we are down to the AIO. Oh, I wish I would have installed that before the graphics card. That would have been a lot easier. You gotta think about these things. Okay, I removed the graphics card again, and we will put this in. Yeah, that's not coming on that side. There it goes. Okay. Alright, as usual, I struggled with this fan connector, but I got it, and it was quicker than usual, so that makes me feel good. Okay, I think we're ready to apply thermal paste. Fix the slide. Stop. Okay. I need to get some of those screws in as soon as possible. Of course, the number one. I can't see. Those hoses are so tight. Okay, that's done. That's done. And that's done. Okay, now I kind of... Okay. And pump. They're color coordinated, gray to gray. And then the RGB header. I can reach it. It's like up here. In fact, yeah, I'm gonna start memberships soon on my channel, and you'll get to be able to watch me do all of this stuff that I don't show in the video that I struggle with. It should be hilarious for you, or hilarious. Well, I don't know. I'm not with it today. Okay, let's see. Oh yeah, and then I need a couple of M3 screws for the, there's two holes up there. Yeah, these things just, they click, snap right in, so it makes it really easy to install those. Unless you're me. Okay, and now for the graphics card again. Okay, it's in, not obstructing any fans. Okay, I think we have a complete build. And then those M3 screws go right if I don't connect to the side of the I think it would stay anyway, but this just, secures it how it was intended. All right. I'll get the cover on here and we will go see if we can install Windows. Okay, I'm back. I've got it all set up. And let's see if it starts. Yay. We're in Ryzen 5 7600X, Orico OS5, 1024 gigabyte, 32 gigs of RAM. Switch that to AHCI NVMe. Let's throw a USB in there and try to set up Windows. Looks like we're good to go. Once we're in Windows, I'll be back. We have installed Windows. Everything's working great. The Alienware looks great. It kind of has a Spider-Man theme going on, blue and red. And I think that does it for this build. I'd like to thank Orico for sending over the OS5 NVMe SSD. And I would like to thank my viewers and subscribers. And if you like what you see and you want to be notified of when the next video comes out, just click the bell button. And I will see you all in the next one. Thank you.